it's hard to explain it, but when I don't take the Suboxone, even like 0.2 milligrams, 0.5 milligrams, my skin feels a bit nervous. My skin feels a little bit jumpy, and I feel a bit anxious. Like, I tend to laugh a lot. Like, it's kind of like, it's kind of hard to explain, but my skin, I can feel my skin feel a little bit jumpy on my skin. And I can feel it inside my body. I'm a little bit anxious. Not nervous, but I can feel it on my skin. And my skin feels a tad bit jumpy. It feels a little bit, not like your skin is crawling, but like, it's kind of hard to explain. The second and third day are kind of worse. I just felt like saying that. Like, fuck, when does this get easier? Jesus. Man, I'm fucking trying, and I can try for a day. The next day I'll be like, I won't make it the next day, and then I'll make it the day, and then I won't make it for a week, and then it's like back and fucking forth. I mean, if God had a fucking rehab, you wouldn't have to go to AA. You would feel okay. You'd feel like $1 million every day. If God had a rehab down here on earth, you wouldn't even have to check in any place. You would just be okay. You would wake up feeling like $1 million every day. So nervous, or so, I can feel my skin, and inside my body feels anxious, and I tend to talk a lot when, and just say the, oh, fucking bitch, my turn signal's on, you retarded fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, I'm turning the wrong place, that's why. I'm the retarded one. My bad, lady. My bad. Well, I didn't mean to use that word, but my bad. My bad. It's a very offensive word.
2 minutes.
That's like fucking... Oh shit. I'm running a red fucking light. I better get off the fucking phone.